In this video, I will speak to you on the difference between a lawyer and advocate. The difference between the two terms generally goes unrecognized. They are generally presumed to mean the same, but they aren't. A lawyer is a person who is graduated in law but is not enrolled at the Bar Council and therefore does not practice in the court. Whereas an advocate is a person who has graduated in law and thereafter written the bar examination and enrolled at the bar to practice in the court. Barrister too refers to a law graduate but who has done the graduation in England or New Zealand or Australia. Then there are senior advocates, an advocate on record. Senior advocate is a designation conferred on an advocate by the Supreme Court or the concerned High Court. There are certain conditions to be met to become eligible for that designation. 1. The advocate must have practiced law before any court for at least 10 years. 2. He must be of at least 45 years of age. However, this age bar can be relaxed by the Chief Justice or Judge of the Supreme Court. It was so done by Chief Justice Venkatachalaya in designating Mr. Rohinton Nariman, who was only 37 years old at that time, as senior advocate. The guidelines for designation of senior advocates by the Supreme Court 2023 prescribes the process for conferring such designation by the Supreme Court, and similarly each High Court has guidelines for conferring such designation. For example, Karnataka High Court has the High Court of Karnataka designation of senior advocates rules 2018. Advocate on record is an advocate entitled to plea before the Supreme Court. Any other advocate can appear before the Supreme Court only on the instruction of an advocate on record. The qualifications that an advocate has to meet to be eligible for the designation of advocate on record are: first, he must have practiced for at least 4 years. Second, he must have taken training for 1 year under an advocate on record who has practiced as an advocate on record for a minimum of 10 years. Third, then he must have passed the examination conducted by the Supreme Court of India. A senior advocate's gown is quite different from that of other advocates. A senior advocate cannot sign wakalatnama. I hope that through this video, the difference between an advocate and lawyer has become clear. Thank you.